Hello and welcome back to episode number 12 of the Proof of Stake Experiment Season 2. We've been staking 11 different cryptocurrencies to find out which one stakes and profits the most. If you've just joined us, I suggest you watch the playlist which I've provided in the description below. So let's have a look at the market today. We're at a total market cap of 217 billion, BTC dominance of about 66%, and a total volume of about 56.46 billion at the moment. As you can see, we've taken a huge downturn within the crypto world. Last week we were around 10,000 and today we're at around 8,000. Everything looks green at the moment because we're on a 24-hour chart. However, I'm going to change this to 7-day chart and just check this out. Everything is actually down around 20 to 30% at the moment. What could have been the reason of this? Well, my thoughts are just more institutional trading and those institutions just shorting and then going long again. As you can see, it's slowly pumping back up again, so it's gonna go probably to around 9,000 or 10,000 again, I believe, in the next few days as they keep on pumping that money and going long on just to make that extra income. Unfortunately, we can't do very much about these manipulations going on because to them this is just small money to them. 2 billion, 3 billion is very small money to these institutions, unfortunately, and obviously to us it's a lot of money. However, we can't do anything about it, but this shouldn't deter you from buying Bitcoin regardless of these swinging trades from where you see it go down. As you can see, it's gone down 17%. That shouldn't deter you because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is definitely against inflation. Bitcoin will always rise against inflation. And if you've watched my video regarding the recession that's going to come up, perhaps next year, we don't know, but it's going to come and it's going to be catastrophic in comparison to the previous recessions because the stock market is unbelievably high. We also have Brexit around the corner within about 30 days. So we don't know what's going to happen to the actual traditional markets and the stock markets that's happening. And if you've watched the news recently, companies are folding. Companies are becoming bankrupt. We just recently had Thomas Cook just go bankrupt. Hundreds of thousands of people abroad had to have their flight cancelled and their holidays cancelled. Again, I wouldn't be deterred into buying Bitcoin, and right now is a good price to buy. $8,000. Even if it goes down to 6,000, you should still pick some up because you have to see it as an alternative investment. So to me, it's not very worrying at all when you see this investment go down. As long as you can secure it properly, it's fine as an investment. But looking at more of the coins, Ethereum down about 15% as well. Not a bad price to buy, but I'm not too sure if I should buy Ethereum, but I'll definitely pick up some Bitcoin. Some more, we've got everything is actually very, like Bitcoin, BSV is about 27% down. Just everything is pretty much down at the moment. So if you're looking to pick up one of these alternative cryptocurrencies, it's probably a really good time to pick it up. And even if you do, yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll go back to how it was. It'll probably rise about another 20% and break even in a few days because they're pumping the money back in, as you can see at the moment. So if we just look at the 24-hour chart, they're already pumping the money back in. So nothing to really worry about. I always try and pick up some Bitcoin when it does go on sale like this, and so should you. Even if this goes to 3,000, it shouldn't really be a problem because at the end of the day, it's an alternative investment. So let's have a look at the wallets. We have Stratis, and I'm gonna probably say this is probably dead now. No more staking from this. We staked one, and out of 96 days, however, nothing has actually happened with this, so I'm going to announce this as probably dead and probably not going to stake any more within this. Exclusive coin is still staking pretty well, so let's have a look at what we've got today. So the last stake we received was here, so let's count it up. So we've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8.5 exclusive coin. That's pretty good. Reddcoin, let's have a look at this. So we have 230.2 here and another 123.83, which is good because I believe last week we didn't get any stakes, so we just got 2 batches of stakes here, which is quite nice. Moving on to ARC, we've got a semi-large stake here, so 0.21, which is quite good. And Tezos, okay, so 22, okay, so the last stake we had was here, so we got 0.13, 0.12 here, and whoa, this is 1.92, so we almost got, wow, that's a total of almost 2 Tezos for staking this week. That's quite impressive. Let's have a look at more of the other wallets. So let's have a look at DAI. Here we have the interest earned, we have 7.55 DAI, which is about $7.50, I imagine. And as you can see, the supply rate, the interest rate, has actually gone up very slightly in comparison to last week, which was around 7%. Now it's about 8.27%, and slowly gone up because the interest, because of the price of Ethereum, that has gone down slightly, so therefore the interest rate goes up here. Moving on, let's have a look at Plasma Chain and our Loom wallet. So as you can see, we have a total of 53.67 here of Loom, and we can claim about 5.16. So I'm just going to claim this right now, and hopefully that should get claimed. So yep, that's all done. Let's move on to the O3 wallet. So let's have a look at the O3 wallet, and as you can see, we have gas that we can claim, 0.036 gas here that we can claim, and 5.36 ONG that we can claim. So I'm just going to claim this now. As you can see, it looks like it's in green at the moment, but we've lost a lot on these 2 particular coins. So Neo is down more than half price, and so is Ontology, since we actually purchased it for this experiment. So that's about it really. So not looking too great in terms of price action. However, this stakes extremely well, so if you do want to get into Neo or Ontology, I think probably now is a great time to get in. So let's have a look at the V-Thor wallet, and currently we have 1,164 V-Thor token within this wallet. And moving on to Tomochain, and as you can see up here, we have 2.9891. So here's the stakes we received today. We have Tezos at number 1 with $1.99, which is probably the highest stake we received in the series so far. Exclusive coin number 2 at 52 cents, DAI at 50 cents, Reddcoin at 37 cents, Ontology at 28 cents, Loom at 13 cents, Tomochain at 10 cents, V4 token at 4 cents, gas at 4 cents, and ARC at 3 cents. So here's the proof of stake league on the 30th September 2019. We have DAI back into number 1 spot with a total staking profit of around $7.63, with an ROI of about 3.05 and a daily staking average of around 8 cents. Exclusive coin dropped 1 position to number 2 spot due to the pricing action on what's happening in a crypto downturn that's happening right now. We have a profit of $6.13, ROI of about 2.45%, and the daily staking average of around 6% at the moment. 6 cents, I apologize. And Tezos straight in from number 6 position to number 3. We have a total profit of $2.73, an ROI of 1.09, and a daily staking average of around 3 cents. Reddcoin has dropped one position with a total profit of $1.59. Tomochain and Loom have also dropped in places because of Tezos going straight in at number 3 spot. Other notable changes, we have Arc and Stratis swapping places because Stratis, the price action of that one has just gone down even further. But most of all, everything in general has gone down in price, other than DAI, obviously, because it's the only stable coin. So here's a quick look at the charts on the 30th September 2019 over 100 days. DAI very close to approaching $8, very close indeed. Exclusive coin dropping back slightly from around $7 back to around $6 due to the pricing and the crypto meltdown that's happening at the moment and affecting other coins such as Reddcoin and Tomochain. They've fallen back very slightly too. However, Tezos straight into the 5th position at over $2, which is doing extremely well, and it's taken me by surprise as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to hit that subscribe button for weekly updates, and don't forget to hit that notification icon to get notified for when I post a video up. And remember, you can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and also go to the website alphacrypto.cc. Phew, right, I'm done, guys. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.